expression for the capacity of a parallel plate condenser. This is the figure. Consider parallel plate condensers with two plates P1 and P2. Let A be the area of each plate, small d be the distance between the two plates. Now plate P1 is a positively charged, that is the plus Q, and plate P2 is attached to the earth as shown in figure A. We know that capacity of a condenser. Is given by that is the C is equal to Q by V. Equation first. To find the PD means what? Potential difference is denoted by V. Okay, now the electric intensity between the two plates is given by, so E is equal to find the PD. So the E that is the electric intensity sigma upon epsilon 0 K. Equation number second, where sigma means what? Surface charge density. Surface charge density. Epsilon 0, permittivity of vacuum. Now, and K means what? Dielectric constant. Now surface charge density, that is the sigma, is equal to Q by A. This is the formula. Putting the value sigma in equation second. Okay. Put the value sigma in equation second. So E equals to Q upon A epsilon 0 K. Equation number third. PD between the plate is given by, PD between the plate, so PD is denoted by V. So V is equal to intensity. From this figure, intensity into distance between two plates, that is the D. So the distance between two plates. Intensity, that is the E into small d. Now PD, that is V, is equal to intensity into distance between two plates. Intensity denoted by E into small d. Okay. Now again put the value. Put the value E. In equation third. Which is the equation third? See this equation third. Okay. Now we get V equals to Q upon A epsilon 0 K into D. So V equals to, modify this equation. So the QD divided by A epsilon 0 K. Again put the value V in equation first. So the C equals to Q upon QD by A epsilon 0 K. Okay. Again modify this equation. A epsilon 0 K divided by D, because the QQ get cancel. So C equals to A epsilon 0 K divided by D. This equation is known as the capacity of parallel plate condenser, and this bit is completely 4 marks.